Greetings everybody, this is Thor and Sasha here. We were on top of the mountain at an awesome late lunch break. Now we're heading back down. Beautiful day here in Prescott, Arizona. 78 degrees for an April day. It's amazing. There's some deer right here. So, my review of my rollover valve / relocation kit after 100 miles. It's amazing, guys. No fuel smell, no pressure. It's incredible. Yet another issue that we fixed. I'm very happy with it. We've had about 150 people so far that have purchased this kit from us, and everybody's been happy. Very simple installation, super easy, anybody can do it. So if you're sick of fuel smell in your Kawasaki Ridge or pressure from your tank, go on the ATVSuperstore.com's website, click on the Kawasaki Ridge page, and you'll find our kit there. Worth every penny. Again, no more fuel smell, no more tank pressure. It's so easy to do. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. The number is 815-321-3888, or send me an email to the atvsuperstore@gmail.com and I'll answer that. Again, Thor and Sasha here. Very happy with that modification. If you're sick of it, go get it. We'll see y'all next one. Bye.